Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to use the Freshwater Spa Vac to clean your spa. Before we get started, let's go over the parts you will need. Parts you will need: 80115-1 Hot Spring Freshwater Spa Vac. Step 1. Place the nozzle in the water and pull the handle out to vacuum. Step 2. Push the handle back in to catch the debris. Step 3. Turn the nozzle counterclockwise to remove the nozzle and screen. Step 4. Turn the nozzle counterclockwise to remove the screen. Step 5. Clean out the screen and reinstall the nozzle. Step 6. Reinstall the nozzle and screen into the vacuum. Good job! You are now the hero. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.